Hello again, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Joe Handy, the Android Authority app guy, and welcome back to Android Apps Weekly. We got a lot of stuff to talk about this week, so let's get started. Nova Launcher is currently selling the Prime version of their iconic launcher application for a mere 99 cents, and our readers have informed us that it's even less in other regions. We don't know how long the sale will go for, but it's definitely going right now. Get it quick because it won't last forever. The waffling by Google to release their contacts and phone application to the Google Play Store continued this last week. First they were up and then Google took them down, but at the time of the making of this video, they are back up again. They're totally free, but it seems like you can only get them on select Nexus devices for right now. Amazon announced a new initiative called the Streaming Partners Program. The object of this is simple. With your Prime subscription, you can access third-party streaming services such as AMC, Showtime, Starz, IndieFlix, and others. The big players like Hulu and Netflix aren't available, to the surprise of, well, no one, but this could make Amazon Prime a little bit more fun. After a long wait, Google has finally released a family plan for Google Play Music. It'll be $14.99 per month, and it can be shared with up to 6 family members. In select regions, you'll also get YouTube Red access. That's an excellent deal for pretty much everyone, and you can get it right now. Dropbox announced that it was going to shut down its mailbox and carousel services in early 2016. While I know there are some people who will be upset about this, the truth is that neither service really took off, and they were never really as good as their competitor apps. They will join Google Helpouts as great ideas that very few people actually used. For even more Android apps and games headlines, updates, and new releases, don't forget to check out this week's newsletter, which is linked in the video description below. We had a ton of stuff that we didn't get to include here that you may find interesting. If you so choose, you can head to the written companion, which is also in the video description below, and sign up for the newsletter using the form there, and we'll send it to you every single Sunday. Okay folks, here are the apps and games that made a big splash this week. As usual, if you want to check any of these applications out, you can find those links in the video description below. 5 Miles is a new application that performs a lot of the same functionality as Craigslist. It's essentially a classified service that lets you sell things, post services and job openings, and a whole lot more. The app uses GPS and zip codes to find listings in your area, and you can do things like post voice descriptions, register with Facebook, and there's even a built-in messaging system. It's a little rough around the edges, but do keep an eye on it because it's going to be awesome eventually. Swiftkey Symbols is a new, very different type of keyboard. Instead of words and letters, Swiftkey uses symbols to allow people to communicate. This is a great application and can potentially be useful for those with autism or other various communication disorders. It's a bit simplistic right now and users are already asking for more symbols, but still, this is a pretty great little thing. Snap Swipe Drawer is a new application that kind of gives you a second notification shade, except for this one has a bunch of widgets in it. Think of it like a little stash for your widgets so you don't have them cluttering up all of your home screens. It can be configured to be available at any time you want it. There are also some release day bugs, but that's to be expected. Don't let that prevent you from giving it a shot because it is pretty nifty. Age of Empires World Domination is the latest Age of Empires game to launch on Android. Unfortunately, we didn't get a chance to try this one ourselves because it is only available in select markets right now, but you can expect a full release sometime in the near future once all of the kinks have been worked out. We can tell you that it's going to be a freemium model, which is different from prior titles, so it won't cost you anything to try it. After a long wait, Microsoft has finally released Cortana to the wild. As expected, the application and service are a little rough around the edges, but we've no doubt that Microsoft will cure the bugs and improve the service over time, much like Google did with Google Now. It's totally free to download and use, so there's no harm in seeing it for yourself. It's also worth noting that you must have a PC running Windows 10 and opted into Cortana before you can use the application. Once again, I'm Joe Handy, the Android Authority app guy. While you're here, why not subscribe to the Android Authority YouTube channel? If you're hanging out for a minute, we have a couple of awesome videos for you to watch right over there, and they're also linked in the video description below for you folks on mobile. Finally, don't forget to check out the written companion, which is in the video description below, and don't forget to sign up for that newsletter. As always, thanks for watching, everybody, and have a wonderful day.